Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on meetings. The question is, what should be on an agenda? We have a lot of meetings around here. Sometimes we get an agenda and sometimes we get nothing. Sometimes we get a meeting notice that says we're having a meeting with little detail. Awful agendas, awful meetings, awful results, and I hate not being prepared. The key to setting the agenda for a meeting is to consider the purpose and the objectives of the meeting. Are you sharing information, discovering and solving problems, making decisions, selling ideas, training people, building cohesiveness, or seeking change? Next, list all the topics to be discussed. Sequence the agenda in order of importance. Schedule the most difficult topics first while people still have energy. Consider the type of activity that is related to each issue. Are we brainstorming or problem solving or making decisions? Based upon the issue, consider who on the team would be the ideal activity leader. Who is the best at getting people to think creatively or at establishing a supportive communication climate so participants will openly discuss problems, or has a great way of leading people through some sort of a decision-making process. If there are 5 items on the agenda, I think it would be ideal if we had 5 different people responsible for leading the agenda items. Select the appropriate participants whose attendance is essential or optional. Consider relevant expertise, personal strengths, communication skills, emotional intelligence, and intellectual or creative abilities. We need the right people attending the meeting to accomplish the objectives. Meetings are expensive, and the critical participants must be present. Finally, be sure to list the information people need to review before the meeting. Be sure to list any materials the participants should bring along to the meeting, such as flip charts, markers, note cards, spinners, drinks, or snacks. Oh my, I always thought an agenda would just have a start time and a list of topics and snacks. My goodness, if we have all of this information included on our agenda, we would have awesome meetings with awesome results. That's awesome. Thank you for watching this video blog on meetings. And the question was, what should be on an agenda? As much information as possible to give participants an opportunity to enjoy powerhouse meetings. Preparation builds confidence, enhances communication, and can improve results. Check back to Welchlin.com every Monday for a new video blog.